Hello friends, this is Mrs. Rashmi Deshpande along with my colleague Dr. B.B. Musmade from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, DY Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. Here we present our idea on location-based patient monitoring to be submitted to Samadhan competition sponsored by MHRD India. We all know that COVID pandemic that has been ravaging almost all countries of the world has a very distinctive feature in terms of spread. The disease has an exceptionally high rate of transfer, which has resulted in its exponential spread across most urban and semi-urban areas. As a result of which, keeping track of the infected patients, potential high risk zones is very difficult, it's very challenging for the governing. A possible solution for the same is the use of GPS or location-based services as a tool to track these instances. Not only is the use of mobile phones very common to majority of urban areas, most of them are also equipped with internet access. The affected patients and areas can be marked with an virtual identification instead of the manual stamps that has been used in India nowadays. Also, the use of said patients, their recent travel history and contacts within a certain physical proximity can also be tracked by this system. So here we present our proposed solution. We can have a centralized directly for virtual identification. This data collectively can be sent to testing labs. We can have three types of results from the testing labs. We can have patients with no infection at all. We can have potential patients and also patients with infection. The data of patients with infection and potential patients can be sent uh, to the module where history and contacts of these patients can be tracked with the help of GPS. Further, this data can be digitally mapped and we can also develop a predictive model for the cities, for the areas where we are not implementing this. Collection of this data on larger scale is a very big challenge here as it can also detect red zones, potential red zones, and eventually even predict the people and areas that can be affected with this data. However, the ability to collect, access, and use this huge data can be a challenge. In addition, laws and regulations related to data privacy also need to be given equal importance. One more challenge for this solution is the decision whether to make this data public or not, because a lot of private data of these people is also involved. So that's all from us regarding this idea. Please subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much.